Veed versus Canva, best video creating tool. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Veed and Canva. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Veed. Veed is an online video editing platform that focuses on providing a simple and fast way to create and edit videos. It includes features like subtitles, screen recording, audio cleanup, and templates. Pros of Veed include its user-friendly interface, automatic subtitle generation, and cloud-based access. It's especially good for social media creators and marketers. Cons include limitations in the free version, occasional performance lag, and fewer design-focused tools compared to graphic-heavy platforms. Now let's talk about Canva. Canva is primarily known as a graphic design tool but also includes a powerful video editing feature. It offers templates, transitions, stock footage, and drag and drop editing. Pros of Canva include a massive template library, ease of use, multi format export options, and strong brand kit integration. Cons include less advanced video editing tools, limited timeline control, and fewer audio features compared to dedicated video editors. So that's basically the main differences between Veed and Canva, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.